I remember when I knew I would marry you. I did not know when or how I would do it, but I knew you were the only person I wanted to build a life with.
How can I ever tell you how much I love you? There is no story or song or sentence that can capture how vast and deep and wild the love I have for you is.
As the poet Maya Angelou has said, love recognizes no barriers. It jumps hurdles, leaps fences, penetrates walls
Oh my God.
to arrive at its destination full of hope.
With you, I know I will always be seen and I will always know love. In turn, please know that I will always see you and you will always know love. How lucky we are to have found each other.
When Jack first decided to tell me about Lucy, we were on a walk in Beach's woods. His excitement about his new love was immeasurable. I asked him what made Lucy so different. We all know that Jack can brilliantly over-explain some things, yet he paused and simply said, "I'm happier with her than I am without her." That is joy.
As everyone in your life knows, to know Lucy is to be loved. I have also seen you grow into a person I am so proud of. You are a beautiful, smart, nice bride. You are always the high of my day. And I will never forget how I feel right now.
And by the power vested in us by the Universal Church and the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, the two of you will then be considered, Lucy and Jack, a united couple in marriage, and you will seal your love and your promises with a kiss.